In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Open within Windows 11. First, locate the file you want to modify. This could be any type of file such as a document, image, or video. Once you find it, right-click on the file. This action opens a context menu that provides various options related to that specific file. You may see options like Open, Copy, and Delete. It is crucial to select the right file since this process will change how it opens in the future. Remember, the right-click action is a fundamental skill in Windows, and mastering it will enhance your efficiency. Next, hover over the Open With option in the menu. This will reveal a fly-out menu with additional choices. From this menu, select Choose Another App. This option allows you to choose from a list of applications that can open the file type in question. This step is important because it gives you the flexibility to use an application that better suits your needs. You may not have realized that by changing this setting, you can streamline your workflow and make your tasks easier. Now you will see a list of applications available to open your file. Take your time to browse through the list and select your preferred application. This could be a program like Notepad for text files or your favorite image viewer for pictures. If you do not see your desired application, you might need to check the box that says More Apps to expand the list further. Selecting the right application matters because it directly affects how you interact with your files. Choosing an application that you are comfortable with can significantly improve your productivity. After selecting your preferred application, there will be an option at the bottom of the window that says Always. Click this button to set your chosen application as the permanent default for that file type. This action ensures that anytime you open this file type in the future, it will automatically use the application you selected. Making this change is essential for establishing a consistent user experience. You won't have to repeat this process each time, saving you time and effort in the long run. Once you click the Always button, you will see a confirmation that your selection has been saved. This is a reassuring step as it confirms that your preferences are now set. You can now close the window and return to your file. This final confirmation is a vital part of the process, ensuring your settings are applied correctly. It gives you peace of mind that your future file openings will follow your new preferences. In summary, these steps allow you to personalize how files open in Windows 11. Right-clicking the file, selecting Open With, choosing your application, and setting it as default may seem simple, but they are powerful actions. Each step plays a significant role in making your computing experience tailored to your style. By taking these steps, you regain control over how your files interact with the applications on your computer, leading to a more efficient workflow. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you in your daily tasks.